Hello and welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Faruja. It's great to have you here, whether this is your first time joining us or if you've been following along from the start. You're in the right place for all things cake business related, from decorating techniques to business advice and mindset tips. We will discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover our cake in blue buttercream and pipe around the base. We are using our signature buttercream, which is an American style buttercream. You can find the complete tutorial for purchase on our website. Just pop on over to our Instagram page at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream on any of our posts and we will send you the direct link. It's that easy. We have coloured our buttercream a bright blue using a combination of royal blue and electric blue gel colours. Our cake has been covered with a base coat of white chocolate ganache, and we start by adding buttercream to the sides with our offset spatula. Keep adding your buttercream around the sides and removing the excess with your metal scraper, working quickly. Then scrape off the excess on the top edge, working it into the center of your cake. Add some more buttercream to the top of your cake, filling in any gaps and smoothing as you go. Re-scrape the sides using a clean metal scraper, removing any excess buttercream as you go. Once you are happy with your sides, clean up the top edge using your offset spatula. Make sure you clean it between each use so that you don't drag any buttercream and ruin the smooth finish. Always start from the outside, working towards the center of your cake. Do a final scrape of the sides and top with your metal scraper so all the edges are clean. To pipe the base decoration, we have used a 1A tip from Colour Mill, which is a large round tip. Start at the back of your cake and slowly squeeze and release each circle as you make your way around the cake. As you can see, we like to use a turntable for this entire process, from prepping the cake to covering the cake and piping decoration. It flows so much easier with a good quality turntable. All our supplies and ingredients can be found at Caker's Warehouse, including our turntable, which is a loyal 360. If you order online, be sure to use our discount code Enchanted10 and you can save 10% off your order. To finish this cake, we've added in our fondant decorations and edible images that we have prepared earlier. Don't forget, if you need a trustworthy buttercream recipe, you can find the complete tutorial for ours available for purchase on our website. So thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. See you next time. Happy caking!